Okay, this is the second video of the day. This one I'm going to focus on our tomato plants, and when I first planted these babies, again probably about 2 months ago, I expressed the desire, the goal to have these tomato plants grow to at least the 7-foot level. And I'm going to get in the picture frame now and show you where we are at. Yeah, I think I'm in the camera view. Oh yeah, definitely there. But yeah, I stand about 5'11", and so the 6-foot mark would be right about here. 7-foot mark is right here at the very top of this pole here. And yeah, we have tomato vine growing well above that. So yeah, we achieved the goal of growing a 7-foot tomato plant. And I need to get in here and tie some of these babies up because, yeah, they're definitely needing support. I had missed that one yesterday, but that definitely needs to be kind of supported a little bit. But yeah, we are definitely doing well. And surprise of surprises, the deer, the wild deer of which we have plenty, have not bothered the tomatoes. They did chew on the pumpkin vines that I was growing just a few yards away, but they've left the tomatoes, so that's good. And we are getting some nice big green tomatoes. I'm going to let them ripen up a little bit before I pick them. But yeah, we have had success with growing a 7-foot tall tomato plant. I just need to do a little better job of giving those babies support, because if you build a good enough support system and you bind them to that support system and support the vines, they will grow as tall as they have the support to grow. I saw one guy up in Minnesota Michigan, who had grown 10-foot tall tomato plants. And I think he was using the big boy variety for that. That's a similar variety of what I have here. But if you have the right kind of vine, and now I forget what the proper term is, but indeterminates. If you have a tomato that is an indeterminate, it will grow as tall as there is support for the tomato to grow with. And yeah, the tallest I've seen has been 10 foot. I kept ours to 7 because I really don't want to have to get up on a step ladder to harvest these things. So I'm keeping it right at the 7-foot line, which, you know, with a little step stool, I can get up there now and and go ahead and harvest. So that's all for this video. Later on, I'm going to get back out here and give those tomato vines some extra support. But yeah, that's one of the things I'm very happy about this year, is having success with a 7-foot tall tomato vine. And it's growing plenty of tomatoes, and the deer, for whatever reason, have left it alone. So crossing my fingers and hoping that this good luck lasts for a few more weeks so we can begin to harvest some nice big red tomatoes. So until later, this is Ralph signing out. Again, wishing you a great day of gardening wherever you are at, and we'll catch you again in the next video. Take care.